Hi, it's Kay here, and today I wanted to talk to you about getting your course online. I've had a lot of people contacting me and asking questions about, Kay, how do I do it? I've never put a course online before, where do I start? I've also had people commenting that they're used to running face-to-face workshops and now they want to put their workshops online and again they don't know where to start. So I thought I'd just do a quick video talking about what some of the options are. So the first thing is you need to choose what you need. Now if you go to my booking page you'll see something that looks like this. So I've got quite a few different options for people who want to get their courses online. And they range from me helping somebody doing some coaching online, starting at $150. This one, Speaking Easy Online, is looking at some hints and tips for making it easy to actually be able to speak online. Creating your course is helping you to create your course from start to finish. The package, it gives you the option of booking in more than 1 hour at a time. Course creation coaching, that's a 30-minute session for people who just want a quick chat. And if you want somebody to do the whole lot for you, then we can do the content creation done for you. So there's lots of options. Now, if you want to look at these in more detail, here is the link, bookme.name/KRossBiz, and you'll be able to click on the details of each of those and go into them in more detail. So basically, you've got options for coaching from me to get your course online. So that's when we get together online, we talk about what you've got, what you've done, and how to get there. The next one is help with deciding, and this is for people who really haven't done much about course creation before. So we've got help with deciding on your topic, your course content, the platform to use, and much more. There's also the option for you to do some of it yourself and have me do some for you. And then the last option done for you is when you say, Kay, I don't have the time or the expertise, or I just want somebody to do it. Here's what I want, and what I'll do is put the course together for you. So there's a lot of options available for those of you who want to get your course online. So how do you choose which one's best for you? And the easiest thing to do is to ask a couple of questions. And those questions, when you answer them, is the first one is, how much help do you need? Do you need help from the start right through to the finish? Or do you want to do a lot of it or some of it for yourself and you want somebody to hold your hand while you're putting it together? So the answer to those two questions will help inform what sort of package or coaching that you will find useful for your particular situation. So to decide, at the moment I've got a limited time offer where we can hop on a free 30-minute Zoom call. And in that free 30-minute Zoom call, I'll ask you a couple of questions about what you want, and together we'll decide how best we could work together to have that happen. So as I said, it's jumping onto a 30-minute complimentary Zoom call, and we'll discuss your course vision, what sort of help you need, and what needs to happen to get your course online. So to book your complimentary call, all you need to do is click the link in the description below to book your complimentary 30-minute Zoom call. If the link's still there, then there are still spots available for you. So it's totally free. There is no obligation. It is the opportunity for us to have a chat, see what you want, and then talk about how we can get that done for you. So you may be asking a question, why would you work with me? Well, the easy answer is I have been creating courses for a long time, including online courses. So as I said, my name's Kay Ross, and my mission in life is to support women just like you to develop the skills and expertise to create exciting online courses and to make it easy and fun to do. My background's in training, education and presentation skills, as well as I have skills in developing online curriculum, and course creation provides me with the knowledge and expertise to support you to create online courses that your participants love. So as I said, go to the link below, click the link and book your call. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so. And also below, I'll have a link to the playlist where I've got lots more information on creating your course. Any questions, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.